everyone. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hope everyone had a great trading day today. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Let's go over the markets. Um, Now, very volatile market today. Um, the Dow finished down only 35 points. It was down a lot lower than that. We had a lot of news data that came out today. Nasdaq was up though. Nasdaq was up a little over 1%. Russell finally up over 1%, and the S&P was up. All right, but very rocky trading today. Okay, so right here, guys, if you guys look here, look at the VIX. All right, VIX is very low at 1204. We might break big support levels on the VIX. Let's take a look at the VIX here. All right. All right. So VIX volatility index. Look, guys, here we are right here. Big picture, monthly time frame. Look how low we are on the VIX. That's very, very low. That's an extremely bullish sign for the equity markets. Okay. So very low, 1204. So if the markets move up again tomorrow, we could see the VIX move even lower. All right. So VIX is low. Low volatility, that's good. Still the same thing, guys, with the sectors. All right. So we're still seeing these sectors are still down. We have one here that's neutral. Okay. So we'll keep an eye on the sectors. We'll start with the S&P this evening. S&P is at all-time highs, guys. Look at that. All right. Broke resistance, buy signal here on the daily time frame. Here we are, all-time highs territory on the S&P. All right, same thing for the NASDAQ. So S&P and NASDAQ definitely taking control of these markets. So NASDAQ here, guys, buy signal here, broke resistance. Look at that, gapped up today. Big move, all-time highs on the NASDAQ. So both the NASDAQ and S&P is in all-time high territory. Okay. All right. The Dow still having some difficulty trading right between support and resistance here on the Dow. Lots of consolidation in here. There's your white candles. All right. Resistance is here, support in here. Right. Nothing to talk about with the Dow. All right. Still trying to figure things out. All right. That's very surprising. Usually by now, the Dow would definitely follow the S&P and the NASDAQ. Okay. Russell, almost identical to the Dow. All right. So finally got white candle in here, looking to test resistance, but similar price action. Really can't do anything until the price breaks resistance here. All right. Hey, Tylag, welcome, Tylag, welcome. All right. So S&P looks good. All-time high territory, guys, on the S&P. Like I said, gapped up, all-time highs. All right. Same on the NASDAQ. VIX is low. So S&P, NASDAQ looks good. All right. And just remember, the Russell, guys, small cap. So this is the Russell small caps stock boss. All right. So that's why we're not getting a lot of traction through stock boss. S&P, NASDAQ, that's more Bullmaster. Okay. And we can add the Dow too. Okay. So just be aware of that. Monster futures, the dollar, what a crazy market, guys. All right. It's just things are just mixed. All right. Once, we think we're moving fine in one direction and then it turns around. All right. So that dollar index here, buyers were coming in right here. White candle here. Currently, the dollar index is up, but we just need more direction. You guys look here. All right. Stuck between support and resistance. A lot of consolidation, no direction. All right. So that's been the news for the last, going on the third week here now. All right. We do have volatility in Forex. We just don't have that much direction. All right. We do have volatility on the 60-minute. We do have volatility. So we have movement also on the 240. All right. And even on the daily, we've got volatility. Just don't have direction right now. Okay. Let's do this. Our US 30 traders. All right. We call this buy signal here, and that failed. Okay. So we should be out of that trade of the US 30 long. We waited for a break, thought we finally had it. Right. Again, data came out today, important data, CPI, and was trading nicely and then got back into support and resistance. So no trades there. Just hold up for now. We've got to get past all of this consolidation in here. NAS 100 still holding its buy signal here. So great move. At least the NAS 100 is doing fine. All right. So our buy signal was on the break of resistance. I think we called it somewhere in here. All right. Trading nicely. Big candles coming in. All right. Hey, Anthony. Welcome, Anthony. And on the daily time frame, right here on the NAS 100 holding firm right here. All right. So NAS 100 doing great. US 30, just lay off US 30 for now. Okay. All right. So NAS 100 doing fine. Look at this. Not a pretty picture here. All right. With the US 30 here. So just we got to wait. We got a lot of waiting to do here. Okay. It's got to get past. Now we've got a range here. So it's got to get past this whole area here. Okay. So no shorts, no long on the US 30 there. Okay. Bitcoin, I don't think we have any major changes here with Bitcoin. Let's see here. Bitcoin holding. All right. Holding no buy signal. So it's holding right at 69. Okay. So we need Bitcoin to see a further move. It's got to break resistance at around 70, 71, 72. Okay. So nothing yet on the Bitcoin. I want to take a look at the S&P, the all-time high. Guys, look at the S&P. All right. So this is great for Bullmaster stocks, Bullmaster Pro, all-time high territory, trading at 55,000. 5,000 was a big mark for the S&P, which was right about here. All right, 5,000. Look at that. Now we had 5,400 and change. All right, so we could certainly get past 55. We get to 55, we could see buyers really start to jump in even more than they're doing now. All right, that's a big psychological number. Okay, NASDAQ, same thing, all-time highs. And what's interesting is that, guys, we've got buy signals here. This is on the monthly time frame. All right, buy signal here, right on that break of resistance. So guess what? We could see this market move higher all through the summer. I mean, it's still early. We're in what, June? We might not have that sell in May and go away. Okay. So, we use the Trader's Almanac as a seasonality. And, I didn't even think about it, but during the presidential cycle, presidential year, most of the time markets are bullish. Okay. Going into the elections. So we could see where, based on the type of price action we're seeing here, guys, going into the summer, here we are in the summer month now, we could see where this market, right, might hold. All right, might not have big moves, but it could certainly hold, all right, during the summer. And that would be a big deal because markets usually correct. All right, don't necessarily crash every summer, but we're certainly correct during the summer months. So that's really, really encouraging. Okay. All right. Current positions. What a rocky day. Let's go through it. Okay. Those of you who are using Forex Factory, we might want to look at, because we've been getting a lot of data. So we might want to really pay attention to the data that's coming out, because the data right now is really influencing um, Forex in particular right now. Okay, so traders are really relying on data right now to make their trading decisions. Okay, so we get a lot of big moves. All right, big spikes in either direction. So just be aware of that. So look at your, because we had big news today. So and the Fed spoke today. Normally we don't get into the news, but it's really affecting the trades right now. Okay, so be aware of that. Bring out your Forex Factory calendar. USD MXN. All right, that's holding. All right, two decent trades. Bought here, sold here. Current buy signal is here, holding. And USD MXN's been doing its own thing, holding firm. Okay, buy signal here, holding. EUR PLN. All right, closed the long position. Right on the 60-minute. Buy signal was here, broke support. Buy signal was here, broke support. Sell signal closed the trade. EUR PLN. USD PLN. All right, buy signal here was a break of resistance here. Resistance becomes support. Sell signal right here. We should be out of that trade long ago. Okay, so buy signal here, sell signal, right? Sellers came in heavy. We should be out right here. USD PLN. Pound GBP PLN. All right, trading well. All right, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. Buy signal here, red candle here. So sellers are coming in. Broke support right here, close the trade. All right, GBP PLN. USD DKK. All right, you guys see what's happening. All of this happened today. All right, was moving up nicely. That bad, well, I don't know if it was negative data, but doesn't matter. Data came in, news came in, really turned that trade over. Like, look at that, big candles, guys. So really pay attention. I know the 60-minute smaller time frame, things are going quicker. So you've got to really pay attention. Don't leave your trades, right? So monitor your trades. Buy signal here, red candle, sell signal. So buy signal here, sold here, should be out. Okay, right? Look what happened here. We don't want to be in this trade. Lot of big volatility in Forex. Okay, so USD DKK, close that trade. We have volatility, no direction. CAD yen, all right. Buy signal here. We were hoping for a break. Really nice resistance here. This is just too bad, guys. All right. So here was resistance here. And we had a nice upward trend line. All right. Buy signal was here, moving up nicely. Look what the news did today. News brought that down. Red candle, sell signal, close that trade, please. All right, we had a good target right here. Too bad. All right, so CAD yen, close the trade, please. Aussie yen, I think Aussie yen is holding fine. Let's draw it out. Still choppy. Look at that, guys. Just difficult trading. Difficult trading. Oh, Anthony, did you see how crazy the yen? Yeah. Yeah, yen was crazy this morning. So, like I said, start paying closer attention to your Forex Factory, right? Traders are really watching data now. Interest rates, it's a big deal. All right. So, all right. So, buy signal here. All right. Moving up nicely. Even right now, it's trying to move higher. Just remember, sellers are here. So as it gets to, and this is pretty close. So I'll bring in a 30-minute. Let's see what it looks like on the 30-minute here. All right, so 30 minutes it's holding. All right, let's look on the 15. All right, 15-minute it's holding. Okay, so um, if anyone is in it, just know sellers are here. So watch your smaller time frame, but it's got good build up here. Okay, Aussie yen holding. Uh, Dollar yen. All right, dollar yen buy signals here, and I know this is high in the markup phase, but we were looking for a break. Okay, and here is that news that came in today. Okay, big red candle. Look at this here. Always just really our forex traders that, especially if you're trading right in that New York session, your trades are open right now, right? Especially right now, just make sure, and we'll, I can't do it every time, but I'll, send out some alerts that data is coming out. I know we do that sometimes with the US 30. We might have to start doing this with our forex traders, especially in the New York session. Okay, that to be aware of data coming out. It's a big influence right now. USD JPY close the trade, please. Swiss yen buy signal here. Red candle close the trade. All right, so this is the third week. We had what was it? A couple of days this week where things were moving fine. We had a few good trades, but boy, SGD JPY, same thing here. All right. So be more selective and watch your capital, trade lightly. All right. The 240. So that was the 60-minute. Monster scalper long on the 240. All right, USD MXN, that's holding fine. Buy signal here, keeps moving higher. Great trade here, USD. All right, MXN, great trade here. All green candles, yellow support and resistance. Nothing to change there. USD SGD. Oh my God, look at that, guys. I mean, the yen pair, you would think if the yen pairs are moving lower, the dollar pairs would move higher. All right. That's usually what happens. Look at the dollar pair. SGD JPY, USD SGD, USD SGD. Buy signal here. Look at this. Horrible. All right, so close that. USD NOK, same thing. Buy signal here. I mean, just a lot of selling here. Close that trade. USD CNH, buy signal here, red candle. One, that's a forward time frame, big red candle. USD DKK, same thing. Buy signal here. Look at that. I mean, this came almost all the way back down to support. One candle here. USD DKK. USD HUF. This one is holding. All right. Buy signal here. Pull back. I'm surprised we didn't get a red candle here. All right. It held. Buyers are coming back in. Target is right here. Just keep in mind, sellers are here. Okay. Buy signal here. USD HUF. Aussie CAD. All right. Broke resistance. It's still holding above resistance. Buy signal here. Still holding. Need follow through. New Zealand dollar. Buy signal here. And a bit of a pullback. Let's do this here. All right, we need buyers to come on back in and test that resistance. HKD, JPY. All right, buy signal here. Look, red candle here out of that trade. HKDJPY. Anthony, yeah, you're right. These yen pairs. Swiss yen is holding. Buy signal here, holding. All right. Pound yen. All right. Buy signal here. It's holding. But guys, do not trust any of these trades. Okay. All right. We've got good resistance here. That's reaccumulation. Buy signal here. Hopefully, right? Yen, pound yen can keep moving higher. Okay. All right. Can't sugarcoat it, guys. It's been tough trading, very tough for what, 3 weeks now? All right. Shorts. If you're able to get some decent profits, you're doing good. Just protecting your account would be good right now. New Zealand, Swiss. All right. Sell short signal here. Green candles. Right. Close this trade. What you guys want to do when you short like this, it's gotten low. Like, don't wait for those green candles. Right. Reduce that time frame to a 60-30 minute. Get out somewhere in here. Okay. Not don't wait for green candles there. Where am I? Okay. And Aussie Swiss. All right, same thing for Aussie Swiss. I think it got near its target. Target was right here. All right, made it all the way here again. All right, so sell signal was right here, but you can squeeze out some more pips on a smaller time frame. Okay, 60-minute time frame. All right, equities, stock boss, Bullmaster Pro. We're getting more stocks in Bullmaster and Bullmaster Pro. Not as much in Stock Boss. Remember, Stock Boss, that's the Russell. All right. Not performing well right now. AMC, just holding here. Nothing here. Right. GME, GameStop. Keep an eye on GameStop. Right. It's got a white candle here. We need GameStop to hold that trend line. All right. Hold that trend line. We need a bounce. Buyers to come on back. Right. With a bounce here. ORGN. That's holding. All right. EBS. That's holding. TAC. Right. That's holding right here. All right. Now, Bullmaster. All right. NEP closed. Okay. So we've got resistances right here. Buy signal here. Try to move higher. Broke support. Red candle. Close the trade, please. We should be out. NEP. Close the trade, please. RCL, Royal Caribbean. Nice move here. Reaccumulation. All right. Buy signal here. Look at that. Good price action here. Okay. You guys will notice that a lot of these stocks in Bullmaster Pro, those are large cap stocks. They're going to follow the S&P, follow the NASDAQ. S&P and NASDAQ making all-time highs right now. Okay. So these stocks should do well. All right. And we'll find a lot of reaccumulation. All right. So, Stock Boss, we'll find a lot of stocks that are coming out of the markdown phase, coming out of the markdown accumulation, markup. All right. Bullmaster Pro, especially when things have been running for a while, we look for reaccumulation. All right. So, continuation of the trend. All right. So, RCL, good trade going there. CLS, buy signal here, reaccumulation, right? Pullback, held, previous resistance becomes support, buyers are coming back in. HOOD, Buy signal here. Look at these stocks here. All right, large caps. HQY, that's holding. All right, MPWR, buy signal here. Nice breakout, gapped up today. Good trade going here. PSTG, good price action, moving higher. RVTY, breaking resistance. Finally got a nice gap up. All right, we need to clear this area here. Okay. WIX. All right, WIX, buy signal here, moving up. Reaccumulation. First trade was here. Bought here, sold here. Buy signal here. So our Bullmaster traders, Bullmaster Pro traders. All right. Stocks, equities, that's where you want to be. Okay, not stock boss. All right, Bullmaster, Bullmaster Pro. Buy signal here, A and F. Buy signal here, nice price action moving higher there. GO, sell signal. All right, so buy signal was here, struggled, all right, to break above resistance right here. Purple support and resistance. Red candle came in today. So sellers came in today, broke support, sell signal, close the trade. Please. GOGO. Netflix holding firm. Right? Netflix look like it's ready to break out. All right. The high is right here with, but really resistance is right about here. It looks to break out. Okay. HCO. All right. This is a clear support and resistance reaccumulation. Mark down, mark up. First trade here, second trade here, reaccumulation. All right. Buy signal here, gapped up. Looks good. All right. JXN. I thought we closed this yesterday. Okay. Let's clear it out. All right, so JXN finally closed yesterday. So buy signal was here, red candle yesterday, sell signal. So out of that trade. JXN, okay. CEIX still holding, target right here. All right, and Bullmaster, guys, we are really starting to get more and more excited with Bullmaster. All right, so Apple. All right. Apple, good buy signal here. I think we got in, we called it right about here. All right. We were really waiting for a break of resistance for Apple right here. All right about here. All right. Nice break of resistance, big candle, and nice follow through here. All right. Here's your pullback. But important thing with Apple, all right, it got past support and resistance here. All right, so support, resistance, nice breakout. Okay. All right, ARM, these stocks, guys, in Bullmaster Pro, we've got fundamentals. All right, so not just technical analysis, fundamental analysis also to go along with the technical analysis. Okay, so here's your discount. Here's your V. And the buy signal here on a break of resistance. It is choppy trading in here. That's why we don't have any resistance lines. But here's your buy signal. We'll do it manually. Your buy signal here, good price action. Okay. CRDO, buy signal here, good price action. Notice what these stocks are doing. So we've got good fundamentals, right? We know we've got a good chart set up. All right. And we've got good fundamentals. All right. These stocks are strong stocks here. CRWD. Here's your first trade, markup phase. Struggled in here. Finally broke out. Looks good so far. Microsoft. All right. Microsoft, buy signal here. Previous trade, bought here, sold here. All right. Good cup and handle. Struggled in here. All right. Here's your your V right in here. Your pullback, buy signal, right? Struggled a bit in here. We called it, when was it? Yesterday. Nice gap up, breakout right here. I know these stocks are expensive, but you can do a fraction. all right, fractionals, or do calls, all right. So Microsoft, good trade here. NVIDIA, right? NVIDIA, 10 to 1, what is it? 10 to 1 split, right? On Monday, buy signal here. First buy signal was here, sold here. New buy signal came in. Now, this was 1,000, right at 1,000, but it's split now, 10 to 1. So it's $102. Buy signal here. Good price action, was up, I believe, almost 4% today. That's a big deal for a stock. All right, so trading at 125. Would love to see NVIDIA get to about 150, 175. Okay. All right, great trade going here. BROS, that's on our radar. I think this is I think this is an IPO, new IPO, and it's on, I think, the what spotlight. I'll take a look at that. We're looking for a breakout, and it is breaking out slowly here, but it's got to get past all of this right here. All right. BROS, cover. All right. Cover looks good, guys. Okay. First trade, right? Buy signal was at 37. Second trade at 61. We didn't call it here. All right. But right here, current trade. Buy signal here. Right at 71, trading at 91 right now. Big move, great move. All right. And near-term resistance is right here. Good, healthy candles there. All right. Eli Lilly. All right. Good trade here. Notice, guys, these are all reaccumulation trades. So don't be afraid of these reaccumulation trades. Okay. With Bullmaster, remember, these are large caps. These institutions love these stocks, and they'll hold them. This is true trend following. Okay. So very different than small cap stocks. Okay. So these are large caps, and here they're just taking a break in that markup. All right. And we got new buyers coming in, reaccumulation, breaking new resistance levels. Okay. So these are great trades. All right. ACLG, same thing here. All right. First trade, second trade, holding. Boy, it struggled to hold. It did it. All right. So really close right above that that support line right here. All right. All right. ACGL. And Coke, we just added Coke. All right. Look here. All right. Bought here, sold here, consolidated in here, broke resistance, gapped up. All right. Gapped up right here. Buy signal holding firm. ASPN. All right. Another one here. Buy signal was here. We called it right about in here. Holding firm at 25 or so, holding at 30. And HWKN. Look at this one, guys. We've been talking about this. It was tied up in this channel here, upward channel. All right. Had decent trades. All right. Decent trade here, 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 and here. But we were waiting for a break. All right. Break off out of that channel. Here, we got it here. One candle did the trick. One big candle got us out of that channel. And what we're looking for right now, we've got new support and resistance. Nice buildup of buyers, and we're breaking resistance right here now. So good price action. And I think we have a really good upside on this trade. Okay, so let's take a look at the weekly. Oh, yeah, look at that weekly, guys. Breaking out here, buy signal here on that weekly. All good price action. And then on the monthly. Look at that monthly. Okay, look at that monthly, guys. All right, really good price action. So on that daily, right, starting to break out. Yeah, pay attention to your weeklies and monthly time frames. All right, here it is breaking out on that weekly time, on that daily time frame. So that's strong. All right, so 1, 2, 3 days. right? Nice movement up, getting past resistance here. All right, so great trades. We're definitely not adding anything in Monster Scalper. Okay, let's see if we can find anything, any opportunities in Bullmaster Pro. Okay, and then we'll be done. Just remember US 30, nothing here, guys. I'm sorry. There's nothing here to do. Okay. NAS 100, right? It's in that good long trade here. We call this one. So our NAS 100 traders, just stick with it. US 30, nothing. Okay. All right. Stock boss, we'll just run it to see. 32. Small caps, guys. Small cap, Russell, nothing here. 32. Okay, that's it. Bull Master, we've got 40 in Bull Master. All right, so not much here. Let's take a quick look. NAS is moving higher, so let's take a quick look at NAS technology stocks. Okay, we'll do this quickly. First Solar. Boy, what a trade. We've missed the buy signal, guys, but what a trade. That buy signal, it's on the daily, came in at 160, 164. All right. And this was back in March. Trading at 300. All right. And amazing fundamentals. All right. I think the composite rating on this is high, 90, 96 or so, really high. Good. Just we missed it though. Good trade here. This is showing up in Bullmaster Pro and in Bullmaster. When it's showing up in Bullmaster and Bullmaster Pro, that says they're definitely buying it. All right. This one right here also CRWD. All right. I think CRDO is also in Bullmaster Pro. And you guys know AI semiconductor, that's big right now. Let's see if we can find. All right, we're in this one already. Healthcare is picking up. All right, COHR. All right, in Bull Master, COHR. Let's just make sure here. All right, good trade here. Reaccumulation, buy signal here, breaking resistance here. Look at your weekly. All right, nice, healthy candles on the weekly. So we'll call that. In Bull Master. ARM, I think that's in both, right? We're in that one already. That's gone. All right. Quick look at Bullmaster Pro. Look at that, guys. All green. All right. Bullmaster Pro, WING. That's Wingstop. All right. And this is sector leader. So they're leading their sector. I guess restaurants, right? So sector leaders, it's right at that top. We have a buy signal. I know it's purple support and resistance here, but we got a nice buy signal here and breaking out. So we'll add that. Bullmaster Pro. It's sector leaders. All right. A new IPO. All right. What's that? KSP. All right. All right. Buy signal here. So we'll add that KSP. That's a new IPO. Bullmaster Pro. Carver is already here. Where is it? Right here. Carver is already here. BROS is here. HG, let's see here. All right, that's it for that. All right, top 50. Those are your top 50 best stocks that the institutions are buying. CLS, we're already in CLS. Big cap 20. We'll add ANET. Bullmaster Pro. Win ARM. ARM looks really good. Lift. No buy signal yet. But they're increasing earnings. Global leaders here. Let's see here. All right. I'm done. All right, guys. All right. That's all we've got. Okay. Our monster scalper traders, especially on the 60-minute, really be careful. Okay. Really be careful. Um, I think we have more data tomorrow. So perhaps next week, I don't know anymore. I mean, this has been going on for 3 weeks now. Okay. So, I mean, the only trends that we have right now, guys, S&P, right? S&P, NASDAQ. That's the only reliable market. All right. And Bullmaster Pro. That's it. Anthony, New Zealand, yen. Let's see here. It's what it is. Let's see. And on the 240. Okay. So 240 New Zealand yen. Okay. All right. Good job. Are you in it, Anthony? So we'll call this one New Zealand yen. Yeah, good job. New Zealand yen long in the 240. All right. While we're here, let's just go through these. ZAR yen also looks good. Let's go through a few more though. You notice how hesitant I am. Pound yen looks good for a break. Right here, buy signal here. All right, good job, Anthony. All right, pound yen looks good to break out right now. So we'll add a pound yen long on the 240. All right, so New Zealand yen, right? Here's your resistance right here. Pound yen. Let's take a look at euro yen. Keep an eye on euro yen. Choppy in here, but we need a buy signal there. All right, so New Zealand yen and pound yen on the 240. Let's take a look at Aussie dollar. Nothing here. Whew. Aussie Swiss. Good markdown phase. If we get a buy signal here, this might be a good trade here. Notice I said might. Usually I'm more confident than this. New Zealand, Swiss. All right, setting up good here. Okay. New Zealand CAD. All right. So we've got two. And we'll keep an eye on it. You know, Forex will change, guys. You know, in a couple of days, we've seen it where, you know, things are choppy. A day or two, you know, they get the news behind them, and traders are ready to go again. So just be just be flexible. All right, but it is difficult. You know, it is a difficult market for Forex right now. Good, we have volatility, just a lot of choppiness. All right. All right, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Have a good evening. Thanks, Anthony. Thanks. A couple of good trades there. Good job. Good job. Take care, guys. Bye bye.